The state believes it has a strong case against all 18 accused in the multi-million-rand Free State Asbestos corruption case. Its case, according to State Advocate Nazeer Cassim, hinges on the fact that there was no real value gained in exchange for the 230 million rand paid in the asbestos inspection, removal and replacement tender awarded by the provincial government. As such, the state is asking for a minimum sentence of 15 years imprisonment for all the accused. Newzroom Afrika's Juniour Khumalo reports.
With the formalities of entering pleas out of the way, the state on Wednesday laid out what it described as a strong case against all 18 accused.
The misrepresentation is glaring in this case. What you are doing goes through the whole process of the Free State government so that the payment can be made. The misrepresentation that I'm doing a necessary task in the public interest when that necessary task did not comply at all, my lord, with procurement law.
In his opening salvo, Cassim emphasized that the joint venture by businessman Edwin Sodi and Ignatius Mpambani were the ones that approached the provincial department contrary to the standard operating practice.
To demystify this particular case, my lord, is during a period, 2014 to 2016, in this province, in this city, my lord, an unsolicited bid, contrary to Section 217, contrary to PFMA Act, contrary to Treasury regulations, contrary to chain management policy, my lord, ends up in a contract of 255 million, which by now 230 million has been paid.
He went on to detail how Sodi and Mpambani's companies went on to subcontract other entities to do the work they had placed a bid to accomplish. Worse, according to the state advocate, most of the 230 million rand was transferred to trusts and personal accounts with not much work towards the task of removing the cancer-causing asbestos roofs.
Real test is what value was given, my lord. Ultimately, somebody was paid 6.3 million to do the work. It is so that he has a contract for 23 million. But he was paid 6.3 million from the 230 million. The rest of the money, my lord, was distributed between businessmen, powerful politicians, and high-ranking officials.
Despite the state's reported strong case against them, all 18 accused persons and companies in the matter pleaded not guilty to the charges against them.
From the onset, I pleaded not guilty, publicly and formally doing so in court today.
Despite most accused being ready to proceed, accused number 2, Muhlomula Muhlakala, the former Free State Human Settlement Supply Chain Director, again indicated through his lawyer that proceeding would prejudice him. He has faced challenges securing legal aid assistance. The court adjourned until Wednesday.
The matter is going to be back in court, with the judge expected to give a ruling on whether the matter is going to continue despite objections from accused number 2. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Juniour Khumalo at the Bloemfontein High Court.